Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper. Not today. It's not today's newspaper. No, it's the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 17th, August the 18th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, August the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, 4-star Sudoku, and a binary. And this one will be the last puzzle of this additional. And in the evening, as promised, I will do the Samwise Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour to solve, but let me start with this one. This one will be number 9117. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But the publisher has published this with a 4-star Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here we see a dual box. 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes here. Another dual box. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? See only one quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. The quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. So no 5 in this quadra box. In every quadra boxes, yeah. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that the T shape here, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh! Overlook this quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. We have 2 quadra boxes. 1, the 2, 3, and 4, yes. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Overlooked. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, it can be a 1 because we have a 1 here. So this box should be definitely a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. More T boxes? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? We have the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. But it's the same shape. If you mirror this or flip this, you will get the S. It's the same shape. Alright, where you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Only one Z construction. How about the next shape? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember. This is mirrored, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes here? Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. The 2. Alright, more. Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Now the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Upside down, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More? No, only two of them, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, super, so a 1. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction should be there. And this one is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes at there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes and then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2 is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. And then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. And then Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Let me think. These 2 boxes in this W area shape. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this W area shape should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then let me see. 201. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then 4, 5. Come on. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I need to think. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 4 or 5. 4 or 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 or a 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. So we have a pair here. It's also connected with that box, so we saw 4 and 5. Here we have also a pair, 4 and 5. That means 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 1. Alright. Then 4 and a 5, we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now. So this box is a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 3 and 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, the 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 2 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this corner box is supposed to be here, and 1 number left in this corner box for number 2. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4. And this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Yeah, I'm faster than 30 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye. For now, and have a great and fantastic Sunday.